Knock now.
Bean, happy? Oh, let's go home na. Ha, go home na.
Oh, no, not yet.
Ha? Bon, ano? Bean, let's go home na. Why? 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 You say to mom, why? Why you don't wanna go home?
Because it's fun.
Ha?
It's fun.
It's fun. Hey, let's go home na. Uy, let's go home na. Ha? Okay, next time na lang ha?
Okay.
Ha? Next time na lang? O say I love you ma'am muna.
I love you, Mom.
Oh, nilalamig ka na ikaw. Say I love you.
Mom.
We're happy. Kaya, lamig na yung mga anak mo. O sige, 2 minutes na lang. 2 minutes. It's cold? Yeah, it's cold. Look at you. For you, for Bean, it's cold. Sige, si Bean na maunahin ko munang bisan.
This is color white. Oh, my God.
You happy? You're not happy? The baby is happy but cold. Uh-oh. Bye-bye, ma'am.